Hi everyone. Today we'll be exploring how to have so many sounds, save them, navigate using the touchscreen, and also save them into the user category. Are you ready? Let's go. Now to start us up, we would go into the combination modes, and I usually like to take it back one step. Let's use an empty. Okay, so right now we have the piano sound. Let's just add more sounds. Let's add more sounds. Let's add like some strings, or let's add some strings. Okay. Let's add one more or two more. Let's see, bells. Okay. Let's add this three for now. So I have piano, strings, bell. Now let's save it into an empty user channel. All we need to do is to click on this drop down, click on right combination, and let's rename it. So let's call this Apex. Apex. And click OK. And then another OK. Actually, are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Now we have Apex loaded up. If you want to check it, once you click the user, and how to access that, when you come to user, you see Apex. So if it takes you here, all you need to do is just scroll back down. Down, 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 down. And once you click Apex, enter, brings us back there. All right.